Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Target Bogg Bag. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just like a tote bag with holes and with a pouch inside. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with a patch inside, or a pouch that you can actually just attach anywhere in the bag or anywhere with these holes. So as you can see, the pouch has 3 holes, so you can attach it anywhere here. So before we get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. And you can check the little link down below in the description. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, it is actually rated highly here on the Target with 4.6 and with 120,244 star ratings. So 86% would recommend. And as you can see from the reviews here, 5-star. I would like one in the color orange. Mine didn't come with a pouch. I wish I would have known. It was something to look for, so he or she didn't get a pouch. That's unfortunate. And perfect to go camping, beach. Love this bag. Well worth the price. This bag is so cute. Perfect bag, and a lot more. So the reviews on this bag are pretty positive. So if you wanna try this bag out, I would suggest that you do, since it seems to be very legit. And as you can see here, there is also a baby Bogg bag and a bitty Bogg bag and a Bogg Bag Original bullseye with the Target logo, and they all have good reviews. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.